Canvas templating on a boat has never been easier thanks to Leica iCON trades. Lightweight and compact, it allows you to move freely on any boat, even in narrow spaces. With the moving platform mode, you can work on tilted setups without the need for leveling. To start measuring, just bring the V-pen in front of the sensor. It will lock on and track the V-pen, following your every movement. You can trigger the measurement with the remote control or the tablet. You can work in any weather condition, even during rain and windy weather, maximizing your productivity by not missing a single working day. The wireless V-pen provides maximum freedom of movement with a range of 10 meters, allowing you to capture hard-to-reach points over obstacles with 1 millimeter accuracy. Captured points are displayed live on the tablet as you measure, creating the drawing in real time so you won't miss any important points. Once finished, you can export the DXF drawing for post-processing in your preferred CAD software. With the accurate measurements of Leica iCON trades, your project will fit perfectly every time.